right, this is lesson 11-4 for first grade. We're going to be using addition to subtract. So let's take a look at this. Solve the subtraction problem. Use the strategy you think works best and explain why. So we have 70 minus 30. So we could do our number line 70 minus 30. 10, 20, 30. So minus 10, minus 10, minus 10. 70 minus 10 is 60. 60 minus 10 is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. So 70 minus 30 equals 40. And again, it says you can use any strategy. So if you want to count backwards just by tens, however you'd like to do it is just fine. But now we're going to learn a different strategy on how to subtract. Okay, you can use addition to help subtract tens. Find 70 minus 10. So this is the same as 50 plus what equals 70. 50 plus what equals 70. Count by tens to find the missing number. 10 plus 10 equals 20. I need to add 20 in all. So 50 plus 10 is 60, plus 10 more is 70. So use the missing addend to solve the subtraction problem. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So 50 plus 20 equals 70. So 70 minus 50 is also 20. Okay? Do you understand? Show me. How can using addition help you solve subtraction problems? You can just say, I can count up. I can count up to solve. Okay? So let's take a look at this. 40 plus something equals 80. So we start here at 40 and we add 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know that 40 plus 40 equals 80 and 80 minus 40 equals 40. So we can see how they go both ways. We can add up or we can subtract backwards. 30 plus something equals 90. So let's take a look at this. We're at 30. We need to count up to 90. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So here we are at 90. Let's see how many we added. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 30 plus 60 equals 90. So I also know that 90 minus 60 equals 30. So we can go both ways on the number line. When we go this way, we're subtracting because the numbers are getting smaller. When we go up towards the right, we are adding because the numbers are getting bigger. Okay? All right. Let's go on to our independent practice page here. Okay, and you can do this on your own. You can pause the video and then come back and check it and see if you've gotten the answers correct. Okay, use addition to solve each subtraction problem. Show how to find the missing addend on the open number line. Okay, so 20 plus something equals 60. So 60 minus 20 equals what? So we're going to go 20, and our goal is to get to 60. 20, 10, 20, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So this is plus 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. So I know that 20 plus 40 equals 60. So 60 minus 20 would equal 40. Okay, let's take a look at this next one. 30 plus something equals 80. 30 plus something equals 80. So let's count it by tens. 10, 20, oh wait, sorry, we got to count up. We're starting at 30, we need to get to 80. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. So that's 50. So 30 plus 50 equals 80. So 80 minus 30 equals 50. See how they're the same numbers in each one? Use addition to solve each subtraction problem. Draw a picture to show your thinking. So 30 plus something equals 50. So I'm going to draw a picture here. 30 plus something equals 50. 30, 40, 50. So that would be plus 10 gets me to 50. So 10 plus 10 is 20. So I know that 30 plus 20 is 50. So 50 minus 30 is also 20. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 60 plus something equals 80. 60, 70, 80. So here we put us at 80 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. 60 plus 20 is 80. So 80 minus 60 is also going to be 20. See how those numbers are the same in each one? Okay, let's look at our very back page here. And again, you're welcome to do this all on your own and then come back and check it with me, or you can do it with me. Mr. Andrews collects 90 papers from his students. He has already graded 40 papers. How many papers does Mr. Andrews have left to grade? So he starts off with 40 papers and he's collected a total of 90 papers. So 40 plus what equals 90? So we can start at 40. Our goal is to get to 90. 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So we're at 90. Let's count how many hops. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 hops. So he collected 50 more papers. Okay, number 8. Stacy drives 40 miles to work. She has already driven some miles. So we have 40 miles and some, which is a question mark. Stacy has 20 miles left to drive. How many miles has Stacy already driven? So her total is 40 miles. And she's already driven some miles, and she has 20 left. So we need to figure this out. 40 minus something equals 20. So I can actually start at 20, and I can add up to 40. 10, let's see. 20 plus 10 is 30, and 30 plus 10 is 40. So 10 plus 10 is 20. She has got 20 more miles left to drive. Okay, higher order thinking. Sam has 4 cases of juice boxes. Okay, 4 cases of juice boxes. There are 10 juice boxes in each case. He brings 3 cases to share with his class. Write and solve an equation to show how many juice boxes he has left. Okay, so each case, he has 4 cases. I'm going to draw a picture here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each each case has 10 boxes inside. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, so he has a total of 10, 20, 30, 40. He has 40 juice boxes that he starts out with. Now he brings 3 cases to share. 1, 2, 3 cases to share. How much is in each case? 10. So 10, 20, 30. So he brings 30 juice boxes to the class. 40 minus 30, so we have this leftover 10 over here, is 10, or 10 juice boxes left. Okay? And our assessment. Dr. Tess has 20 patients to see today. She has already seen 10 of them. How many patients does Dr. Tess have left to see? So we can start here. She has a total of 20 patients she needs to see. She's already seen 10. 10 plus what equals 20? Well, does 10 plus 40 equal 20? No. Does 10 plus 30 equal 20? No. Does 10 plus 20 equal 20? No. Does 10 plus 10 equal 20? Yes. So there's our assessment. Great job, everybody.